Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at getters and setters as well as inheritance. Okay, so in the last video I showed you how we could create properties, and we can give them access identifiers or access modifiers of public, private, and protected. Alright, and we set a property to private, and I showed you that we can't access it from outside the class. Well, we can use what's called the set and the get method, which are both called magic methods, just like the constructor, that allow us to access those properties through the methods. Alright, so let me just show you. If we create a class, let's call it post, okay, and we're going to set a private property called name. Alright, and then we're going to create a function, and we're going to say double underscore and then set. Okay, just like the constructor, all the magic methods start with a double underscore. Alright, now this is going to take in, let's say, name and value. Alright, and when this is called, I just want it to echo some stuff out. I want to say setting, and then we're going to concatenate onto that the name value, and then we'll say 2, and we'll have some strong tags, and we'll have to concatenate the value, and we'll put in a line break as well. Okay, and then what we'll do is set this, $sign this name to whatever the value. Alright, so let's go under the class and let's instantiate it. Okay, so we'll say post equals new post, and then what I want to do is set post name equal to, and we'll just say testing. Okay, so if we save that and we run this, you can see we're getting setting name to testing. Alright, because since we're setting this, it's going to call the set magic method, and then it's going to output it for us, and it's going to assign the value. It's going to assign this name to whatever we pass in, which is testing. Alright, and then we also have a get function. So let's say public function double underscore get. Alright, and let's pass in name, and then we're going to echo out, actually I'm going to copy this. Okay, so this time we're going to change this to getting. Okay, getting name, and let's see, we want to get rid of the 2. Strong, and then this right here, instead of value, we want this to be this name. Alright, so let's go ahead and save that. Now if we reload, we're still getting just the setting. If we want to run get, then we're going to echo post name. Okay, and then you can see we see getting name testing. So this is how we can access a private property through the get and set functions. Now there's also a magic method called isSet. I think that came in with PHP version 5.1, I believe. Alright, so let's say public function double underscore isSet. Okay, and we're going to pass in name. And then in here, let's say echo is, and then we need to concatenate on name. So is name set, that's what we're going to say. Is name set, and then let's put a line break. Alright, and then we're just going to return is set, and then we'll pass in this name. Actually, that needs to have a $sign. Okay, and then what we want to do down here is we're going to do a var dump, and we'll pass in is set post name. Okay, we'll save that. And now we're saying is name set Boolean true. Okay, so we're saying yes, it is set. If we change this to, let's say, names, and then change this to names, and then reload, now it's saying is names set, and it's false because it's not. Alright, so I'm going to put that back, and then we're going to go ahead and stop here. Alright, so that gives us the set, get, and is set magic methods. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.